Since the demise of Vine, millions of young smartphone owners have moved to the next big thing in social media, TikTok. Formerly known as Musical.ly, TikTok allows for video creation using sampled pieces of audio or original sounds you make yourself. There's no shortage of what you can make on the app with a little bit of creativity. But what if you want a verified checkmark? Let's take a look at how to do it. First things first, what does the checkmark actually mean on TikTok? Well, if you use any other social media, you've probably seen accounts run by famous or influential users with blue or white checkmarks, indicating they've been verified by the service, and TikTok is no different. While there are celebrities on TikTok, the app also verifies famous and popular creators, making the checkmark a badge of honor for anyone using the app. So how do you get a checkmark? Well, if you're a celebrity or a person of note, applying for your checkmark is a no-brainer. That's probably not you though, so instead, aiming to become a popular creator is your best bet. It's not impossible either. We have 4 tips for becoming a popular user on TikTok. First, you have to work hard. Might sound simple enough, but putting in time and effort to make your videos really shine will net you success in the long run. It's not enough to have one video go viral. All of your content needs to be as good as possible. Second, use the right gear. If you look through popular verified users on TikTok, you'll notice steady, still camera work and clean environments to shoot in. We suggest picking up a cheap smartphone tripod off Amazon to help keep your videos from shaking. While you're at it, feel free to follow trends on the platform. Participating in TikTok memes is a great way to keep your account in the spotlight. Once you have a solid set of videos up on your account, you'll want to move on to tip number 3. Follow a ton of people. Following someone on TikTok gets their attention, and you're bound to get a number of those people to follow you back. Finally, our last tip is simple. Don't give up. No matter what you do, keep trying your hand at the game. And with a little talent and a lot of luck, you're bound to get that checkmark. If you enjoyed this guide, make sure to check out these other videos you might like. And subscribe to Tech Junkie for all sorts of tech news, reviews, and top picks every week.